amazing team! How are you all doing? I hope everybody is doing well. So today I want to talk about the food you shouldn't eat if you have kidney damage. Just like last week we talked about kidney functions. Our kidney is very important. We can't function without kidneys, all right? Kidney filters toxins, kidney remove waste products, kidney also produces hormones, kidney controls your blood pressure. So what happens now when your kidney is damaged? The toxins will accumulate, the water will accumulate, the proteins will accumulate, the minerals will accumulate, a lot of stuff will accumulate in your system, waste products will accumulate. So there are some diets you need to eat. There are some renal friendly diets that you need to eat to maximize the function of your kidney, to reduce further damage, and also facilitate excretion of these minerals. So talking about the food you should avoid if you have kidney damage, number one is soda drinks, dark colored soda drinks. Number two is avocado pear. Number three is canned food. Number four is processed meat. Number five is whole wheat bread. Number six is brown rice. Number seven is apricots. You need to avoid them. Number eight is orange juice and orange fruit and orange juice. You should avoid them. Number nine is dairy products. All right, let's talk about why you should avoid them one by one. If you have kidney problem, your kidney will struggle to excrete phosphorus. It will struggle to excrete sodium. The same with potassium. All right, taking soda drink, dark color soda drink like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, all these soda drinks, the manufacturers put a lot of phosphorus in them, to preserve their shelf life, to add some flavor to them. So taking this drink will increase your phosphorus content, and your kidney cannot excrete phosphorus. You see, you end up accumulating more phosphorus in your blood. And one bad thing with phosphorus is that when you have hyperphosphonemia, this thing will affect your bone health, because phosphorus will pull out minerals, calcium from your bone, predisposing you to some bone problems like osteoporosis, arthritis, bone weakness. So if you have kidney damage, stop taking dark colored soda of any kind, please. The other food you should avoid is avocado pear. Avocado pear is very healthy. It's heart-friendly diet, but it's not good for you if you have kidney damage, because avocado pear has high level of potassium. It has about 6 to 8 milligrams of potassium, which is not good for your health. So if you have renal problems, if you have kidney problems, don't take avocado pear, please. Please, it's not good for your health, because the high level of potassium cannot be excreted by your kidneys. Number three food you should avoid if you have kidney damage is canned or processed meat. All these meats, either dry, salted, processed meat like hot dog, bacon, pepperoni, sausages. You should avoid them. This food has high level of sodium. You should avoid them. And your kidneys are damaged. They cannot excrete all this. All right? Avoid taking processed meat. And they have high potassium as well, high phosphorus. Right? Then another food you should run away from is canned food. Canned food, they always preserve all these canned vegetables, canned fruits, canned soup, canned vegetable, canned whatever, with salt. They add a lot of salt to them to preserve them. So with kidney problems, you don't need to take them, because your kidney cannot excrete that sodium, and the sodium will accumulate in your system, causing retention of fluid. You end up having swollen ankles, swollen legs, swollen puffy face, because there are a lot of sodium in your system. So this will even worsen your renal or kidney health. Okay, so you should avoid eating more of canned food. Even if you want to eat them, in extreme cases, you should wash them. Whenever you get canned vegetable, maybe canned corn, you pour them out sieve it out, and then rinse them first to reduce the sodium content before you eat them. Right? Another food you should be careful with is whole wheat bread. We know whole wheat bread is very good. Whole wheat bread is nutritious. It has a lot of nutrients, a lot of fibers, but it's not good for people that have renal problems, because the more brain or more whole grains the bread contains, the more phosphorus it has. And we know our renal system is damaged. We cannot process or excrete, phosphorus. So it's recommended to take white bread if you have renal problem, if you have kidney problem. Take white bread, don't take whole wheat bread. Talking about brown rice, it's just the same thing. It has more phosphorus. The same thing that applies to wheat bread. It has brown rice has more phosphorus. So avoid brown rice. Eat more of white rice. They are more processed, and they contain less phosphorus and potassium. Then let's talk about oranges and orange juice, because I know some people will say, why oranges and orange juice? Yes, I know oranges are dense in vitamin C. They are so good for your immune system, but they contain high level of potassium. So avoid orange juice and oranges if you have kidney problem. You can take grapes. You can take grapes. Lemon is so good, because lemon can help to dissolve any kidney stones and other stuff. It's very good. You can take apples. You can take cranberries, but avoid oranges and oranges. Okay. Then you also should avoid dairy products, something like milk, whole milk. Whole milk here. Try and avoid them. This milk contain high level of protein. They have high level of phosphorus. They have high level of potassium. Avoid them. All right. And then one thing with having all we know that milk contain a lot of calcium as well. But the problem is that when you take food that contain high level of phosphorus and you are having kidney damage, the high level of phosphorus will cause calcium from your bone. In as much as you're taking a lot of calcium, you end up having bone problems, bone weaknesses, bone issues, because the phosphorus will pull calcium from your bone, leaving you with osteomyelitis, or osteoporosis, bone weaknesses, and other stuff like that. All right. Then you should avoid apricot, either dry one or fresh one. It has a lot of potassium, phosphorus, and also sodium. Avoid them. Right? These are among the food you should run away from. Right? If you have kidney damage of any kind, can be chronic, can be acute, any type of kidney damage, try and avoid all this food. All right? Eat more of apple juice. You see, pineapple is the best. Pineapple has zero phosphorus. You can eat pineapple, apple, and yes, pineapple, apple, cranberries. They are so good for you, because they have low level of potassium, low level of phosphorus, low level of sodium. All right, these are just the things you need to moderate, minimize, limit if you have kidney damages. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate your time. Take care. Bye bye.